Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude Code to GitHub. So let's get started. First of all, you could open Claude AI and sign into your account. Make sure that you are on the Pro plan so that you have Claude Code enabled. So once you're over here, you're going to click on this icon and then you're going to click on Customize. So once you do click on that, you'll be able to see a couple of options on the left-hand side. So you're going to click on Connectors over here, and you'll be able to see GitHub integration in the list, and right next to it you'll be able to see a connect button. Simply click on GitHub integration and then click on connect. It will redirect you to a sign up page or sign in of GitHub. So simply log in with your credentials, and then when you go to customize, go to connectors, you'll be able to see that Claude Code has successfully been connected to GitHub. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.